Hi, I'm Stacey from the Tech Solutions team, and today I'm going to be showing you another tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to easily organise cords and cables. Have large cable ties, 3M command hooks. We're using cord bundlers with tape and scissors on hand. Unplug all cords and cables, sort through them, untangle them and lay them out in a flat line side by side. Use one cable tie to loosely wrap around cords and cables. Use your other cable ties to loosely wrap in between cords and cables, essentially creating a divider. Tighten all cable ties evenly. Cut off the ends. Plug your cords back into order. Use your 3M command hooks to secure the cords on the wall or cabinetry away from the floor, creating a tidy and organised space. And that's it. For more tech tips, make sure you subscribe to our channel.